day 2. Today is Sunday and nag-aayos pa lang kami and it is currently 8:46 a.m. Last full day in Singapore. We will start our day by saying thank you, Ninang Joy.
Before anything else,
we
are so grateful.
Sharing our gratitude for today.
For accommodating us for 3 days.
Arab Street pag umaga, pag may araw. Gosh, so beautiful. So, galing kaming Arab Street para mag-photo sa Glen. And we're going to Haji Lane. As my requested. Oh, there's fragrances.
It's better in the morning so you can see all the
graffiti. Hindi rin ganun kainit ngayon kasi umulan daw kagabi. So, ayun. Haji Lane. Oh, ito yung thrift shop.
Ano yung kinakain? Empanada?
This is good. Good? Kasi may patatas.
Oo, meron patatas palagi.
Prawn ganun pa.
Torpedo.
I give this 3 over 5.
What?
3 over 5. So, ang daming wrapper. Okay, so nag-shopping kami dito sa Mustafa. Sa Mustafa ng mga pabango. Huwag din ang tanangin ko magkano ako inabot. So nice. Wala. Ang ganda gagi. Promise. Yes. Again. Okay, this is Ban Mian. Nakita ko to kay Mike D. So, ito may pork. Hindi ko binili may fish, pero meron siyang dilis on top. At may gulay. And pork. Ito yung mga sauce niya. It's chewy. Oh! Pag nawawala kotse nyo, tatype nyo lang, tapos lalabas may mapa. Love it! Sobrang high-tech na ng Singapore. Sobra. Pilipinas can't keep up. Love it.
Goodbye, Changi. Changi.
Tomorrow again. Uuwi na kami.
Punta lang kayo para makita yung Cebu at saka Cebu at Cebu.
Love it. And I'm busog. Change of plans. Pupunta daw kami ng Malaysia. Papasok lang, tapos magpapatatak lang talaga. Para at least dalawa yung tatak ko sa passport ko na. Pero di ano lang, as in punta and then baba and then balik na. Ganun lang. Okay, papapalit muna kami ng pera bago puntang Malaysia. So, yeah, we're gonna take the bus going to Malaysia. Suglit lang kami, like 1 hour lang kami sa mall. Mula Singapore hanggang Malaysia, nag-bus kami. Tapos, parang 20 minutes lang. Or naman pa rin kami immigration. Nasa fill up din kami ng health declaration. Galing. As in cross lang ng tulay. Malaysia na kami. Sa ibang iba. May iba itsura no? May iba itsura pag galing ka Singapore. Gusto naman natin iikutin ng Malaysia. But for now, napatatak lang talaga ako sa aking passport.
Ano pong malapit?
2 countries in one trip.
Kabila na yan.
Ang alin?
Indonesia.
Ang farthest, nung nasa Singapore ako, nakapunta pa ako sa Malaysia. Japan.
Kasi ang balik yun ng mga...
Kung tatanayin niyo ako anong ginawa ko this trip, kumain. Kumain, maglakad, mag-ikot, kumain.
Ayun lang naman yung pakay mo.
Yun naman talaga gusto ko pag nagtatravel ako, kakain naman ako. We're back sa Singapore. We're back. Kapagod. We're here at Marina Bay Sands.
Look at the view.
The view is very nice.
Wow.
So beautiful. Such a big mall. Tapos na yung light show. Ganda ng background. Daming tao. Oh my gosh. Super daming tao. Pero ang ganda ng light show. Ang ganda pala pag water. At hindi fireworks. Iba rin na. Ganda. Lovely. Mas may dramatic effect siya. Ng water. Instead ng fireworks. Kasi sa atin, di ba fireworks yung uso? Love it. Ito pala yung tamang scouting area ng mga girl group. restaurant pa kami kasi nag-request talaga ako na Indian foods. So, ang in-order namin ay chicken masala, walang butter chicken, ubos na, nag-chapati kami, nag-kima, at nag-biryani. So, now I ordered mango lassi. Because it's not complete without my lassi.
May coconut yan.
Yogurt. Yum. Good morning! It's our last day here in Singapore. Mamaya uwi na rin. Pa-Manila na rin later ng 8 p.m. So we're gonna have breakfast first. Magdo-noodles daw kami. So kakain na kami and naamoy ko na yung pagkain. Bangko. Ayun! Good morning!
Good morning. Our last day.
Last day.
Breakfast muna kami.
Lalaksa ako for breakfast. Good morning. I'll be having laksa today and kaya.
Because that's the last one. Hindi yung nakakain. The rest,
Nakain ko na.
she already ate.
Sarap. Tofu. Anong meat yun? Oh, you cannot. There's clams. May clams, may fish cake, may tofu, may itlog, may bean sprouts, may hibe. Done eating, I had laksa and kaya toast again. Sarap yung kaya toast today. The spread that they used. Super yummy. Gardens by the Bay. Pero hindi na tayo pumasok. Dito lang tayo para makita itong mga to. So, yun. Ganda. Ang fresh ng mga halaman. Ang fresh ng mga halaman. Mas ang daming mga Lilo and Stitch. Ayan. So, ano na lang. After dito, magsha-shopping na lang kami and then pahinga na ulit and then punta na kami ng airport. Ang inat. So, nasa Boon-Tong-Kee kami.
Our last lunch.
Last lunch with
Our host. Hindi.
Ninang Jelly and Tita John. So, last lunch. Tapos, Uwi kami saglit. Then punta na kami airport. We have lunch. Chicken rice, chicken rice, chicken rice. We're off to the airport. Yay! Going home. I miss Bonbon. Mabuyo. My brothers and sisters, amen. On our way home, back in the airport. Umiiyak na naman siya. Umiiyak na naman yung mag-best friend. Ba't umiiyak? Nag-iiyak ka na po sila.
Iyakin talaga ako. Siguradong pumanda ako. Ano ka na?
Thanks, Ninang. Thank you so much. This machine did everything. Amazing. Going home. Nakadaan na kami na immigration. Super bilis lang. Wala pang 5 minutes. So, papa-refund lang ako. Tax refund. Tax refund. Gumaganon. Yamanin. Charis. Sayang din yun, guys. So, lapit na rin kami mag-boarding 7:15. So, yun. Super ganda na airport nila, guys. I love it. Our trip is almost done. Haggard na. Pangit na.
Janine? And Esther. Esther walang H?